Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Oppo Eno Air 2 Pro with MacBook. And to do this, first let's open a case with our earbuds, remove both of them from the case and make sure not to close the case. It needs to be open, so I'm gonna place it like that. Then if they should be in a pairing mode instantly, but if not, you might need to pick them up and hold the touchpad on the back for about 4 seconds like that on both of them. Now release it and move on to our MacBook. Right here, oh, the case just closed, so I'm gonna just place it somewhere safe. Now move on to our MacBook. We need to open a Bluetooth. You should be able to find it right here in the top right corner. If not, look in the settings for Bluetooth. Go for Bluetooth settings. Make sure that it's on with the switch in the top right. And now in nearby devices, we should be able to find them in a few seconds. If not, we're gonna retry and place them back in the case and basically remove them from the case as well. Okay, so I think we need to repeat the process because I was too slow. Close the case, open it again, remove both of the earbuds. Make sure that the case won't close. Then hold this back button again. And here we have it. So we can connect, click on the button, and they should be paired with your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.